Newton's first law of motion is the law of inertia, which states that an object at rest will remain at rest and an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon by an external unbalanced force. So here the ball is staying at rest until it gets kicked. The kick is the external unbalanced force that makes the object, which is the ball, move. The ball will remain in motion, but it runs into the wall, which acts as another external unbalanced force, and it stops the ball from moving. Newton's second law of motion states that the acceleration of an object depends on the mass of an object and how much force is applied, also known as force equals mass times acceleration. The greater the mass of an object, the greater the amount of force is needed to accelerate the object. For example, the basketball has a greater mass than the volleyball. So here, since the basketball has a greater mass, it will take more force to accelerate it and to kick it to the other side of the field. And here, since the volleyball has less mass, it will take less force to accelerate it and to kick it to the other side of the field. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So here we have two rubber bouncing balls that have the same mass and they are acted upon by the same force. The balls are rolled on the ground by the same amount of force and accelerate at the same speed. The action described here is the push of the balls and the movement. When the balls collide with each other, an equal and opposite reaction occurs, which is the two balls bouncing back at the opposite directions.